I just realized that I have to pop and turn. Was that it?
Game? Hey you guys, we're here today with professional snowboarder Janice Spiteri, who is trying to make it into the Olympics.
Yes, I am. That is the truth. I'm trying to make it to 2022 Olympics.
You may have seen Janice before. She's been in a ton of our videos on the Braille Army channel if you want to subscribe there, and the main Braille channel as well. So today, she's going to learn how to do a half cab, because the ultimate end goal of this entire thing, besides the Olympics, is her learning how to fakie big spin.
Half cab is learning how to half cab.
So she has to first learn how to half cab, because she already knows how to fakie shove. So she has to learn how to half cab, which is a fakie backside 180, to then learn how to fakie big spin. Isn't that right?
That sounds about right.
That sounds right there, done, do it
sounds
correct.
About darn right, darn tootin'.
So I'm gonna take the camera from our friend Mowgli over there, and he's gonna be doing the teaching today. I'm gonna leave it in your hands, because
I don't even know Mowgli. Who's Mowgli?
Mowgli's our newest Braille team member.
Is he coming with Baloo and Shere Khan? Is Mowgli not from Jungle Book?
I think you're the only other person other than Uzi that like makes me forget how to speak. Like sometimes Uzi just says something so ridiculous that I forget what I'm saying. And everyone, like, you're the only other person I know that can do that.
You're welcome.
All right, Mowgli. Good luck. Good luck, my friend.
Hi, this is my first time meeting Mowgli. Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Where are you from? The rainforest? Were you raised by a bear?
I was raised by Mama Bear, so yeah.
I love the Jungle Book.
Okay, so how do you learn how to do a half cab, Mowgli?
You do a fakie ollie.
Can you do that?
I sure can try.
There you go.
Is that
Fakie ollie.
good enough?
Yes. All right. Now that you've gotten your fakie ollie, have you attempted the fakie half cab?
Half cab. Hold up. Okay.
The fakie half cab would be like skating regular and doing a front one.
Leave a comment below if it's just half cab or fakie half cab. Leave a comment below. Hey Uzi, what is it?
Half cab.
Thank you.
Buddy, this is just the way I say it. Everyone has their own way of saying half cab, fakie full cab, fakie half cab. This is just my style.
But a cab already means you're going switch front side.
Yeah, switch, not fakie. So fakie half cab.
No.
Thank you.
Janice, stop talking.
Anyways, for the fakie half cab, since you already got the fakie ollie, you want to do that. You want to use your shoulders, pop fakie ollie, and throw yourself with your shoulders.
Should I just try it, or are we gonna go like step by step? I just realized that I have to pop and turn.
Well, you don't have to pop like crazy.
Scary part.
You can do baby pops. Look.
Baby pops. Okay.
Almost. You just needed the pop.
Cause I'm not just doing one of these.
Yeah, you're not just doing.
I have to actually like.
Yeah.
There you go. Even if you have to just like stand still and do this, like fakie ollie and then turn. So that helps. That helps. There you go.
There you go.
That was it. That was basically it. Alright, so we just need to pop.
I wasn't off the ground?
You didn't pop at all.
Yeah.
Oh.
But that's the idea. You basically have it, you just have to pop the fakie ollie. Almost. You just need to pop now. But you're getting the idea is there.
I tried to pop.
Yep. Woo! Why'd you get off? I feel like you got fakie front 180 easier.
What is the fakie?
Nothing, don't worry about it.
Oh. Yeah, in my head I had thought about that.
I think you got that easier. Oh, she got that way easier. Let's go. Forget the fakie half cab.
You can't just change tricks on me.
I'm sorry. We're done. Oh yeah, she's popping it even more. I'm a genius. You see that?
I can't. I don't know if I should change tricks right now.
Fakie 180 is way cooler than fakie half cab.
Oh.
I think you're really closer to fakie 180. I'm keeping it 100.
I think I'm not gonna commit to landing on the other direction because it's
Why?
like kind of scarier to do a body barrier.
You just did it right now.
I know, but it's just scarier.
But you just did it right now and you landed on the board. That proves. Oh yeah, right there. Right here. Land it right here, and I got you $5 on Venmo. Look, I ain't even playing. I'm pulling out the app right now. There you go. You actually went off the ground.
I'm
but you're
actually
still doing
closer
it.
to this than the
Yes,
half cab.
forget the half cab. That's weak. Fakey throwing 80 is way cooler. I'm being honest. I'm just giving my opinion. My opinion is very subjective, so. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Right here. She got this. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Dude.
good pop.
Yes. Yes. You got
I'm
it.
so excited. I love it.
Because you're going to do it. Right there. Let's get there.
No, Gabe shaking his
He's not
head.
hyped.
My
Hey,
wheels weren't
be
off.
hyped for her. She rolled away.
No,
That's a beginning.
let's go frame by frame. I bet there's one frame where all 4 wheels are off the ground.
Anyways,
Gotta be one frame in there.
everyone, I just want to let you know, be thankful for the small things. Right there, that's success. She rolled away from something. Some people aren't even getting close and getting 1-footers. So I'm hyped that she's rolling away from something, not nothing.
Yeah, I'm getting close, Gabe.
Close, you rolled away. It's there. Oh yeah. There you go. I don't know, did that help, like, kind of understand?
You kept your shoulders like in line with your hips more throughout it. Like your shoulders moved at the same time your board did.
Yeah.
Was that it? Was that it?
Gabe? Because Gabe is the one that is going to tell us. Okay, there you go. I'm not saying nothing. It's a cool trick.
Yeah.
Baby throwing 80s, you don't see that. But when you see it, it's cool.
Woo! There's kind of a slope, so I'm just
Yeah.
gonna
Cruise through like a canal.
yeah. Ooh.
Right here. There you go.
Was that?
You're getting there.
Ooh.
Do 3 fakey ollies, then do the fake throwing 80s. You understand it. Maybe it's because you snowboard and you like thinking snowboarder.
I just never have to work to keep the board with me.
How about this? Think fakey ollie, but you just turn. Like, just do the same thing you do fakey ollie, just do this. Look, fakey ollie. That's it.
Oh, come on!
Oh.
How do you go from that to that?
Because when I want to actually land on the board, I lose the pop.
I see it. You landed it.
Was that a pop?
No.
Dang it!
That one would have
Off
counted.
the ground.
That one was off the ground at least. I would have given that one to you.
Flew and hovered.
I
I don't know how he feels, because I'll take him off.
I would have counted that one.
I would have took him off.
Okay, if you'll count that one, I can do that again.
Alright.
Nope.
Getting there.
Oh, okay. She's not dead yet! Oh, my leg is a little numb. That's fun. Oh yeah, she's gonna get some color right there.
Oh my god! Come on!
Fakey half cab, what?
Half cab!
Yeah, hey, Fakey half cap is what? What?
got this.
Do you know how bad that hurt?
It feels great.
So
Don't
funny.
think about bad, think great. It felt great.
Uh-huh.
Felt great. Everyone felt great. How many times has that felt? Felt great.
That one was pretty good. Oh!
That was it.
Stay, Janice, just stay on your tricks.
You got this. Right here. Right here.
Oh! That was it. Yeah, that was the one. Let's go.
Did you not feel that pop?
That was sick.
But I stopped moving, so I
Hey.
got kind of nervous.
It's okay.
I'm proud that I suggested that. Way easier than a figgy half cap.
No, it's not. No, it's
You know what?
not.
And like, I know that wasn't super good, but that's the start. The first time you land a trick isn't always gonna be the sickest one. It's not gonna look like his.
No, that was very good. For someone's first actual fakie front 180 pop, like popping it, that was really good. And then you can see all the examples that she was doing without the pop. That's still good practice. You should just keep doing that. Then one of them is just gonna be the pop.
I mean, that's the first time today, this right now is the first time I've even turned that direction. Like anytime I'm riding fakie and I need to switch ways, I go that way. Like I've never turned that way from fakie.
First timer.
All right.
She got it. Good
I
job.
want to cry right now. Come here, nuzzle me.
Left me hanging.
Oh, it's been a long day.
Yeah, it has. Okay,
Oh.
my last question for you is, do you have any advice for the people in there who happen to be learning a fakie frontside 180? What would you tell them? What kind of advice do you have for them? What should they do?
I'd say keep trying it. Just keep going. Like all the ones I did that I wasn't popping, I think were still helpful because I was still getting used to like turning that way and staying on my board. So it's
Yeah.
like I'm still getting that rotation. And then like I think practicing fakie ollies is really important because I think if my fakie ollie was stronger, it would have made that easier too.
Yeah. Like the really important parts of this trick are a good fakie ollie. You want to actually be able to pop and roll away, and you need to be able to turn your shoulders that fakie frontside direction. She's actually really good at the little fakie pivots both ways. So the next time when you do a half cab, not a fakie half cab, a half cab moguli, I think you're gonna get that pretty easily too. But that's not his preferred trick. I'm the half cab master.
Well, I'll have to come back for you to do a half cab. Or why don't you come out to the mountains and teach me a half cab out there?
I want to go out there.
I'll teach you a snowboard half
We're building
cab.
a new skate park right
I'm gonna
now. Once
teach
that
you
new
a
park is
snowboard-
constructed, I'm never leaving the Braille
Hey.
house for the next like.
I'll go to the snow.
guys know.
I'll teach you a snowboard half cab, and you teach me a skate half cab.
I can 360 in a snowboard.
I'll go to the snow.
Not that bad.
What, onto a rail or something?
Psh, on a flat.
Well, there you go. I'm gonna teach you half
Flat
cab
is
onto
harder.
something. All right. Anyways.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Definitely subscribe to Janice's channel. All of that information will be right down there in the description. Subscribe, like, leave a very nice comment for her right down there, and let her know what trick she should learn next. Janice, it is always a pleasure having you out here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.